AIW Wrestling, Absolution 4, one of the biggest independent wrestling shows this year. And the return of the new horror, Sami Callihan. But this time, I'm not alone. I have someone you guys may not know, and allow me to introduce him. This man is Jon Moxley.
I hope you saved your ticket stubs tonight, because it's the last time you're ever gonna see Flip Kendrick or Louis Linden or any of the other guys before they got their faces rearranged by the Switchblades.
Flip, what do you think you can do to us? Do you think you can flip on us?
Flip on us, Flip. You're gonna flip on us, Flip. But sorry, importantly, you think you can charm us with your little charms? Do you see these faces? Are you gonna look into these eyes? Do you think you're gonna work anything on us, huh? No, there's only one way this match is gonna end. Us coming out on top in very convincing fashion.
AIW, allow me to tell you right now. People like us are in the building. You never... Stop it! Fucking game, John! When people like us are in the... Fuck it! Flip, Osarian Portal, anyone else, you guys are fucking dead.
That was sick.
It's pedal to the metal. It's go big or go home every time I step in the wrestling ring. That's just how I am. That's how I've been since I was a little kid. I remember being a little kid. I remember being that starry-eyed kid, sitting on my dad's couch watching Monday Night Nitro. I never thought I'd actually end up as a professional wrestler. But I proved everyone